Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into University of Michigan, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into the University of Michigan, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the University of Michigan's official website. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page for authentication. On this page, you will see fields for your credentials. Enter your unique login ID in the first field. Then, type in your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Once both fields are filled, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your student portal. In case you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. If you continue to have trouble, reach out to the IT support team. Congratulations, you are now logged into the University of Michigan portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.